Lynda.com is an open online learning platform that offers video training tutorials. There are over 3,600 tutorials led by industry experts for those interested in developing their skills in subjects like technology, business, design, software, and photography. To use Lynda.com, you would need to have a Mac, PC, smartphone or tablet, an internet connection, and a valid library account. In this case, we will be using our Langara student ID and password. This tutorial will show you how to get started with Lynda.com and how to navigate and search for content you want to learn about. When you are ready, click on Sign In. We will be signing in with your organization portal. Enter the URL. In this case, it's langara.ca. Then sign in with your federated ID, also known as your student computer name and password. From your homepage, you can access the courses by hovering your cursor over the Library tab. Here you can see the subjects are organized by topics, software associated with that subject, and learning paths. Learning paths are Lynda.com curated courses complete with tutorial videos, quizzes, and practices to help develop your desired skill. If you are unsure of which category your desired lesson is located under, click on Library instead of hovering to see all of the subjects listed alphabetically. So for example, I want to learn the basics of using Microsoft Excel. From the Library tab, I look for the subject category labeled Business. When we click on the Business link, we are taken to the Business main page. Here we can apply filters to narrow down our options and find courses that are more relevant to our topic. Since we already have a topic in mind, let's take a shortcut and go back and hover over that Library tab. Then hover again over to where it says Business. On the right where it says Associated Software, click on Excel to bring us to the page of Excel-focused tutorials. As we scroll down to the videos, we can see the most recent tutorials listed first. Let's check out the latest version, Excel 365. Take a look at the top where it says Add to Playlist. Here you can add this video to a viewing queue, but we'll put a pin on this for now. Below the video, we are provided with an overview which displays detailed information on the current content that is being covered, the expert who is leading the tutorial, and when this video was published. Transcript provides accompanying text of the narration of the video. Your videos can also be viewed offline by downloading them onto your device, so you can watch them even when you are not connected to the internet. And lastly, this video comes with supplementary exercise files, so you can practice what you've learned. To the left, we see two more helpful tabs. The Contents tab allows us to see the contents of the course broken down into smaller chapters. You can choose to start at the beginning or jump ahead to any point of the course you would like. For example, if you want to learn how to change how your text looks, you can scroll down and start at Format Text. You can even bookmark other lessons if you would like to revisit them later. The notebook area is a handy place where you can write down your ideas or notes while you watch your video. There are tips that help with accessing and exporting your notes in different formats for review later. So remember when we added a video to a playlist earlier? Your playlist is available at your homepage or here under your profile. You can create your own lessons by making your own playlist or even have multiple ones for different subjects. Under History, you can rewatch some of the tutorials you have recently viewed regardless if they have been added to your playlist or have been bookmarked. This is helpful if you want to revisit a lesson and cannot remember the video title or the name of the author. The Recommended option is where you will find Lynda.com's recommended videos that they have chosen for you based on your interests, preferences, and the videos you have viewed. If you do decide to do a learning path, sometimes you are given a certification of completion. Your certificates can be found here. And lastly, bookmarks. Bookmarked videos are found here in the order they were added. Hopefully this video has helped you get started on your learning path. There are so many great things available to us just at the click of a mouse. Happy learning!